In 2026, it is a truth universally acknowledged that most consumer electronics are designed with a built-in obsolescence timer. We buy, we replace, we add to the ever-growing digital landfill. It is frustrating, and it is a drain on your cognitive load. But then, there are outliers, products that defy the churn. The MONSGA robot vacuum and mop combo is one such defiance. It arrives with an understated confidence, a physical density that immediately distinguishes it from the plastic fantastic gadgets of the mass market. Consider the sheer friction of daily floor maintenance, those moments stolen from deeper thought. The MONSGA, with its industrial-grade suction power, driven by a 19,500 revolutions per minute motor, eliminates the need for second passes, for mental checks. It is strong enough to pull sand from deep carpet piles, ensuring a thorough clean every single time. Every cleaning cycle, it saves you 5 minutes of mental friction, of checking if it truly got everything. Over a year, that is 30 hours of regained attention. 30 hours you did not have to spend mentally managing a mundane task. Then there is the self-emptying dock, a substantial 3.5-liter capacity unit. This is not a minor convenience. This is 60 days, 2 full months, without a single thought about a dustbin. That is another 15 minutes a week, just freed from a recurring mental chore. Annually, that is over 12 hours. You simply buy back time and mental energy diverted from the trivial to the truly strategic. This is not some flimsy, hollow plastic shell. Pick it up. You feel the engineering, the weight of a powerful motor, and advanced Lidar system. It comes in at just over 25 pounds, not including its substantial dock. That density, that 4-inch height, that is not a flaw, it is a feature. It speaks to the thermal dissipation, the zero-flex chassis, designed to handle sustained, heavy-duty cleaning cycles without the typical fatigue that plagues lighter models. It is built, not merely assembled. Now, this professional-grade build does come with a caveat for some. Its robust dimensions mean it might struggle to slip under exceptionally low furniture, the kind of spaces only a wafer-thin, underpowered unit would attempt. But that slight limitation is a direct trade-off for the sheer power and longevity it offers. That extra half-inch of height is a heatsink, a heavier motor casing, a larger battery, all designed to keep your workflow, or in this case, your floor cleaning flow, from throttling, from failing when you least expect it. This ensures uninterrupted operation when you need it most. The LiDAR navigation, for instance, is not just about mapping your home. It is about cognitive offload. It consistently, accurately, and silently manages one more domain of your life, mapping up to 5 floors with a precision that avoids collision and recalculates in real time. The app control is less about granular adjustments and more about setting a reliable protocol, ensuring the operation is truly hands-off, whether you are across the room or across the continent. With a 3-hour runtime, it covers an expansive 2,000 square feet on a single charge. It is designed to complete the mission, not just start it. This is not a toy, it is a strategic asset designed to eliminate a persistent, low-level drain on your focus. It operates at under 55 decibels, a quiet hum that ensures your concentration remains undisturbed. In these volatile global markets, particularly in 2026, the availability and pricing of high-quality electronics like the MONSGA are in constant flux. Production bottlenecks and shipping delays mean regional stock can be a tactical advantage for those who act decisively. Waiting could mean missing out on current pricing or facing extended lead times. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.